What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be grabbing some an air compressor for the so-called shop, my driveway. um that way I could have some air. I could use a lot of my air tools that I haven't been using, and also just to have an air compressor. Honestly, the whole video about today is going to be kind of getting the driveway how I want it to be. I do have a little car covered tent thing that I want to put up the walls so I could enclose it and work inside with no cold, no wind, no rain, anything. And let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. The tent. Let me back the truck up real quick. If you guys can see, that is the tent. That's the donor car right there. That's the tent. I want to put the walls on the sides, the back. I'm gonna leave the front open just for easy access. But this is what I want to do today. That's what I'm gonna focus on, is kind of getting this ready to be closed off, to be planted on the floor so no wind would knock it over or whatever. But I am scared of snow and stuff, because we do get snow here. I am scared of snow getting on the roof and kind of collapsing it. But I will try to figure that out later. Maybe put like some plates from that bar down there. Oh, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But for today, that's what we're going to be focusing on. And I have to take an hour trip to go pick up the air compressor, because I did find it at Facebook Marketplace. I usually buy a lot of stuff on Facebook Marketplace. You can't beat a good deal. So gonna go pick that up now. Gonna go get some gas and head out to the guy's house. I'll show you more of what I'm talking about on the about the tent. That way you guys could understand and see what I'm doing. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's start the day and let's go get some gas. Not that kind of gas. What is going on, everybody? We are back at the headquarters, aka driveway. I'm just putting everything back, like my chargers, and oh shoot, my phone holder is still in the truck. Left my phone holder in the truck. This is the truck, the parts car. We just pick up random parts here. I do mobile detailing, so I have my water jug ready to go. So that's that. We have the Civic here. If you guys want to see more of this car, let me know in the comments below. This is my brother's car, but I do have access to it. I could, record whatever he does. And then we have my car here. Yeah, but we're not worried about cars today. I put my phone holder back in my car. This is my everyday car. If you guys remember from the... Oh wait, no, I didn't tell you guys. I bought a Nissan Armada for the family so we could ride around. But that's that. We're back at home. I unloaded the compressor already and put it in my little garage area, if you want to call it that. But I'm gonna move it soon because I don't know if I want it at that location on that corner because it's a mess. I have to clean up over there. There's a whole bunch of tires and stuff. But this is the compressor. It's a 20 gallon Husky 175 psi tank. It works. The dude was using his air hose for his new compressor, so he kept that. I have to buy one, and I also have to buy the little adapter to connect the hose, but that's no issue. 80 bucks to me, you can't beat that. But I want to enclose this. That's just leaves that have fallen. I just have to, yeah. I want to enclose this so I could kind of work privately, because as you see, there's cars that be driving down the road. Neighbors look at you and say, wow, why does he have a camera? But anyways, I want to close that off, and I want to leave this. To me, is the perfect amount of room for like the door to be open, because the bar is there, and then the wall or this material would go right across there. And also here, it's the perfect amount of room. I'm missing a pole. It's right here, but it's laying down over there somewhere. Yeah, so I want to do that because I want to cover this wall also. I have everything. I want to cover this wall. That way I could put my toolbox here or there and compressor here, because it's closer to the house, which I would need an electric extension. So I think I'll leave the extension, the compressor here. But I just have to do a lot of cleaning and a lot of leaf blowing before I do all of that. But I do want to move the tent a little more back, because if you can see, this tent is right here, driveway ends right here. So I kind of want to move it back to get the full driveway. I just want to use as much room as I can. I do not have a garage. I'm working with what I have, and I'm kind of building on to what I have. So by that I mean putting a tent on my driveway, because all I have is a driveway. So, you know, I'm working with what I have, and to me it's working. So the code is coming, and I plan on putting a small little corner heater somewhere, maybe hanging it on a corner or something, so I could be somewhat warm when it gets really cold. But enough talking. Let's start putting these walls up, moving the tent, and organizing some stuff. I just finished putting up all of the walls, well, except the front door, because like I told you guys, I wasn't gonna put the front door. But I'm super excited how this even looks, like space wise, and I know durability is not gonna last that long, but I mean, you could buy these off Amazon or maybe even Harbor Freight. Just the walls, if they ever rip, especially the roof. The roof has been up there longer than the walls, so I know the roof is gonna go first. But I mean, I'm super excited of how it looks. I finally have my own little like shop, if you want to call it a shop. Fuck it, I'm calling it a shop. I'm excited how this turned out. Oh wait, hold up, missed one thing. Hold up, give me 1 sec. This, because they're being holded by leaves. They're being holded by this little bungee thingy. I missed one here, so let me fix that real quick. Put you guys down. All right. Oh shoot, I missed another one over there. Let me double check if I didn't miss anything before I talk some more. I do have a Snap-on light, but that runs on battery and it kind of dies pretty quick. So I kind of want something that's there all the time. All I have to do is unplug it and plug it in. And I'm super excited how it looks. Let me give you guys another look. Don't mind that noise, that's just a highway. That looks sick. That is privacy. To me, privacy is key. I don't like people looking at me and like, oh, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? You know, but to me, privacy is key, and I love it. And it gives me what I was looking for, just privacy. You know, all I gotta do is just, once all of this is cleaned up, just walk in here, start working. It's the little things that matter and how you make it work. You know what I mean? That's what I'm all about. How you make it work, how you make it to fit your lifestyle, your needs, your wants, and just to make it work basically from nothing. Because if you think about it, this started as just a plain old driveway. And then I bought this entire thing brand new, bought off of Facebook Marketplace, and I only put the top because it was summertime and I wasn't really thinking about privacy, or you know, I was just thinking, oh, bet I have a roof, I could be in some shade and I could get some work done. And then I started working, and then, you know, people just always driving by. I've literally had a lot of people ask me, you know, they drive by, oh, how much do you do for mechanics? Da, da, da. I do mobile mechanics, but that's not what I want to do. You know, this is what I want to do. I want to hold the camera. I want to just record what I do and just enjoy what I'm doing. Yes, I know you need a job and you need that, but this is what I love doing, and this is what I want to be doing. So I finally decided to put up the walls because I was literally looking for garages for rent. Like I know some people have a garage that is separate from the house that they would like to rent out, and that's what I was trying to go for. But all of the places I see are either in New Jersey or in Pennsylvania, and that's really far from me. I am located in Maryland, and I really didn't want to take that 2-hour, 1-hour commute possibly every day just to go work on my car, or just to record maybe like an hour or so. So I've always had this. It's been in the box or the bag in the black BMW for the longest, and then I said, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna do it here, work from home, and I have my privacy. What I was looking for in someone else's house, honestly, to pay rent. And here I'm not really paying rent. I mean, I am paying rent, you know, my house and stuff, but I'm not paying rent for a garage. So that's not adding to my bills, if you guys, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, I'm gonna cut the video here because I feel like I've been talking way too much. People walking by. But see, that's what I want. They didn't even notice I was here. It's privacy. That's it's awesome. But all right, guys, thank you guys so much. Thank you for sticking around this long. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more stuff like this, just random make it work kind of thing. Leave a comment down below what you guys think, either where I should put the toolbox or whatever, or if you guys have any idea, or if you've actually done this before, what kind of light to put up top. Personally, like one up in that corner to shoot, well, one in each corner to shoot at the middle, you know what I mean? Because I could be working at the trunk of the car, I could be working at the front of the car, or the sides of the car. But anything would work, honestly. I really appreciate you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification button so you could be notified when I shoot out a new video, because they're honestly like this, just adventures, picking up random stuff, doing random stuff. I'm in the middle of doing the speakers on the black car, but that's for another video. But it's stuff like that. It's just random stuff, what I do around the house. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep it real.